morning routine is not aesthetic at all.
Good morning, beautiful people. Today is gonna be a day. It's a Sunday, and I don't know about y'all, but Sundays are my chill, me, do whatever the freak I want kind of days. I'm a little nervous for today's Sunday because I'm going to church by myself. I never am the person to push religion onto anybody. That's the last thing I want to do is force you to believe anything you don't believe in. That's 100% not what I'm doing here. But I do want to share the fact that I am like anxious because I've never been to church alone. Like even when I lived in Hawaii, I would always go to church with like at least one friend, and now I'm in a brand new city in a brand new state going to a church that I've never been to all alone. So I don't know, I'm just a little nervous, but it's definitely something that I feel like I've been needing to do. Church to me should be on my priority list. Unfortunately, I've really been neglecting that, so I don't want to neglect it anymore. But basically that's what I'm getting ready for. It's 9:55, church starts at 11, so I gave myself plenty of time. I also think it's like a little bit of a drive away. I have been to one other church in St. Pete where I live. It wasn't my favorite, let's just say that. Not really my vibe. So we're trying this one, came highly recommended from a lot of people. I am not gonna do a whole lot of makeup just because I wanna go to the beach after, and obviously I don't wear makeup to the beach. I don't know, it's just gonna make me feel a little bit more confident walking into this new place all by myself. So just a little bit to touch up the skin and stuff. Y'all have been asking me for a beach day vlog, and today's the day because the weather in St. Pete has been so freaking crappy the past like 2 weeks. Terrible, couldn't go to the beach, couldn't do anything outside kind of weather. So I'm really happy that it's not like that anymore. It's becoming sunny. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day whenever you're watching this. A reminder to do something for yourself and do something by yourself. I think a lot of us forget that it's okay to be alone, and as somebody who spends literally every waking moment alone, I'm okay with it. Like, yes, I do need people sometimes, but the beauty of being by myself so much and being comfortable in myself is that I decide when I need to or when I want to let people in. I don't feel the need to always be surrounded by people, which is really cool and something I've come to terms with. Do something for you and do something by yourself. Just be present and be alone. It's a really good feeling. It's the fact that I've literally been talking for 3 minutes. I'm already almost done with my makeup because I talk way too dang much. So much for I'll see you after. I'm basically done. Okay, I haven't had this yogurt in a little while because I was out of town and I'm afraid it might have gone bad. Let's find out. It smells like normal Greek yogurt. I just think the smell of Greek yogurt is disgusting. I don't think it's rotten. But then again, anytime I think anything, oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to eat that. Anytime I think anything is slightly rotten, I have to throw it away just cause like I get so freaked out. It says Best by July 25th. Wait, that doesn't make sense because we're literally in June. I think it's fine. The smell is gonna, okay, so we're not having yogurt this morning. Sorry, y'all. I was in a very severe yogurt phase. I think I'm out of the phase because I was eating yogurt for breakfast every single day for probably a year straight. So I'm in my bagel kick now. I go in and out. I love bagels. These are my favorite from Trader Joe's, everything but the bagel. Dang it, I'm really upset about that yogurt because I actually wanted yogurt this morning. I did put it back because it's not expired, and I think there's a good chance that I might try again to eat it tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. I air fry my bagels because I don't have a toaster. I get a lot of people ask me because they're like, how do you get it to still be crispy and not hard as a rock? So you just have to put butter on the top of your bagel because then it like toasts the buttered part, which is the part that you want toasted. You don't want the whole bagel toasted. Sorry, this is like really niche information. People probably have toasters, but you know, I don't. That was probably the dumbest tutorial I could have ever given you for literally anything. Also, this is the best butter. She is the girl. Oh, perfectly done bagel. Oh my gosh. These look like 2 little turds, but they're just little turkey sausages. I also put them in the air fryer. I have to have some protein with my breakfast or I'll be hungry in an hour. Those are gonna keep cooking. Yummy, yummy. Breakfast is absolutely served. I'm so excited. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day by like 1,000. It's just so yummy all the time. I'm running on schedule though. I should be good. I should probably check the weather. Let's make sure it's a sunny beach day today. Okay, the forecast has all suns. That's great because normally It has thunderstorms and clouds on the radar, but we are looking good. Beach day, beach day, beach day. Major decisions now, outfit time. I have trouble deciding what to wear for church because I feel like people are either really fancy or really casual, and there's a hard medium to find, but I think I have an idea. Let's see. I've been obsessed with rompers, like obsessed, and I got this one from Princess Polly. This is not sponsored, but I love this thing. I've worn this thing like 3 times since I got it. You basically just wear it like this and then put a little top underneath, and it's the cutest thing ever. So I think I'm gonna wear this because it's appropriate, it's cute, it's comfy. Gives me church girl vibes. Y'all tell me, what do you think? 1, 2. Oh, here it is. Super cute little romper. It has freaking pockets. Can you see? Here's what the back looks like. I don't know. I definitely should iron it, but I don't have any of the tools to do that. So it's just gonna be a little bit wrinkly. It's not super short either, so that's good because I don't feel like I'm gonna flash anyone at church. Also, sidebar, Poppy is amazing. I have been so obsessed with freaking Poppies. If you guys have never tried one, it's basically prebiotic, probiotic soda, but it's not really soda because y'all know I don't drink soda. Like, oh, this is ugly. So sorry. Please erase from your brain. I see all the girlies obsessed with soda on my TikTok, and then I tried Poppy and I literally have been drinking like 2 a day. I don't know, basically it's just healthy for you and it tastes really yummy, and so I really like it. I'm a drink girly, I always have been, so Poppy, I love you. My favorite flavor is definitely watermelon. The other strawberry one is really good too. Refreshed. Why am I in a weird mood? I'm in a weird mood, and I couldn't tell you why. We're right back where we started this morning. Hello, loves. What the freak? Okay, people say that I act the same in my videos. I think I do act the same in my videos that I do in real life. I feel like I'm not as goofy in my YouTube videos. I like them to be perfected, and so sometimes I cut out or I don't say stuff that like I'm thinking in my head. Yeah, we're just gonna get like raw and unfiltered Katie from now on, which I feel like you have been, but to a new level. I just sprayed a shit ton of this YSL Black Opium perfume on me. I always forget that this isn't my Victoria's Secret Fresh and Clean, and you don't need to spray 47 sprays of this to smell good on yourself. That other perfume that I used for my entire life, you do. So this is really amazing. I love this. And then Native deodorant. This is the coconut one. I love coconut. I love anything coconut. That's how I smell good. That's my smell good routine. My armpits are so white compared to the rest of my body. I should tan. I'm going to the beach today. I should tan like this. That was dumb. Also, I literally washed my hair a day ago and she's greasy. What do you know? I washed it 2 days ago, if we're being real here. And the past 2 days I've been going on long runs, and so my head just gets so sweaty. And that's it. We're ready to go. Holy moly. My eyes look very blue today. Sometimes my eyes look really green, but today they look very blue. All right, y'all, well, I'm on the way, but I'm running a little bit late because I couldn't find my car in the parking garage. My parking garage is huge, and I lost it because I didn't drive yesterday, and I couldn't remember where I parked. But I'm literally 6 minutes away, and it starts in 6 minutes. So, unfortunate circumstance, but I'm gonna get there. Praise Jesus. All right, folks, it is a few days later. After church, I ended up just getting into a weird mood and just needed a little break, but we are going to the beach now, and I just looked at the UV, y'all. It's 11. Can you believe that? That's incredibly high. So I just packed, oh, geez. I just packed up my beach bag, or my towel, my book, my water, keys, and we're gonna go. I'm sweating in here, so I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like at the beach, but I'm so excited to just lay there, finish my amazing book, and jump in the ocean. Let's go. One of the beaches that I love to go to, and probably the one that I frequent the most, is Pkwy. If you don't know, I live in St. Pete, Florida, and Pkwy is just the most beautiful beach. It's in St. Pete. It's like St. Pete Beach is like a huge beach, and then Pkwy is like a portion of St. Pete Beach. I love it. It has the cutest freaking little town, shops and restaurants. You can watch the sunset with like the prettiest view while you eat. I've done that before. They have like the cutest ice cream shop. It's very, very popular. Huge vacation spot. This whole Gulf of Florida is. But yeah, I love this drive. It's just really peaceful. I think it's super nice. I'm about to go over another bridge, another episode of Bridges with Katie. I've been like a little bit in my head recently, and you may have noticed it's like I haven't been posting on YouTube nearly as much, just because I don't know, sometimes I need a little bit of space, and I love you guys so much. Like, y'all are my best friends, and I post these videos for the both of us, but when I'm going through it a little bit, I don't want to make you guys sad, so I don't want to post about it, but I'm definitely getting myself out of this little rut. It happens to the best of us. So yeah, I just wanted to explain my absence a little bit. Y'all, I have such a fun, exciting couple of trips coming up. I like can't wait to show you guys and take you guys along with me, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Today we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful day. So pretty, such a blessing to be able to drive to the beach. That's insane. So I'm not gonna take it for granted. Enjoy this beautiful time lapse because I'm about to go over the prettiest bridge and you're about to see the prettiest pink palace. It's an icon in St. Pete. The Don Cesar. So pretty. Yay, we've made it. The beach actually isn't too busy right now. I just parked. I'm gonna pay for parking now. Beaches in Florida, you have to pay to park. It's the dumbest thing ever and I hate it. In Hawaii, you don't pay to park in any beach. It's crazy. I literally just paid $5 to park for not even 2 hours. Like, it's ridiculous. But look at this view. It really doesn't get much better than this. Oh my gosh, look at the sand. So soft and beautiful. That's gonna be me when I'm older. Grabbing my big ol' Yeti water bottle. You guys always ask me. This is linked on my storefront. This is the absolute best water bottle ever. On my Amazon down below. So this is the book that I'm reading. It is called The Housemaid's Secret. This is the second book. It's like a 2-part series. You don't have to read them in order, but it's better if you read the first one first because it hints at like stuff in this book and it's hilarious. It makes me laugh. It's so good. I finished the first one in like a day and this one I've been reading so fast too. I have less than 100 pages left and I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna enjoy this beautiful day because it is honestly stunning outside. Like, not too many people here, not too crowded, hot but breezy, so like you're not sweating your booty cheeks off. I'm just really blessed and really grateful to be here, so it's gonna be amazing. Gotta hydrate though. It's not gonna be amazing, it is amazing. Let me speak in present tense. The waves are actually big today. There's never waves. I didn't want to bring my camera in here. Oh god, my phone just got soaked. It's so pretty. I love it. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. That leaving the beach look is crazy. Look at this hair, y'all. I don't even know what's going on, but it's about 4. I'm leaving. I finished my book. I got in the ocean. It was really nice, quick little beach day. I needed it for the heart and the soul, every ounce of it. Let's drive home because I am cooking in this car. All right, ladies and gents, I'm balancing you on this little candy jar. Do I sound like I'm in the safari? Well, it's now 6:30. You're like, Katie, what did you do in between the 2 hours that you got home from the beach? The answer is nothing. I'm just tired. You guys didn't see the rest of the day before I went to the beach because I filmed this on 2 different days, but I'm just sleepy and I was gonna take a nap, but then I was like, if I nap, I won't go to bed later. So I'm hungry. We're gonna cook some dinner together. It's gonna be a really easy dinner because I actually did the prep work, which is honestly so nice. My hair looks pretty right now, actually. My hair never looks good and y'all love to tell me how wonky my hair always looks, but I think it looks pretty right now. Oh my gosh, she's low-key feeling herself. First, we need a drink. You know what? We're going with the orange poppy. I actually only have one other poppy left in my fridge right now. I'm so sad. I'm putting it into my old Katie's Corner cup. If you guys have been here since the beginning, you remember this is my old merch. We've grown since then. Cooking for yourself is the worst in the world. Let me skirt, 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 skirt. My little tripod. My little makeshift tripod. I'm making a hash. I do this when I just am craving veggies and I love veggies. It's also so easy to make and it's healthy. And the thing is, I already prepped all the veggies, so I literally just have to cook the sausage. That's why we're making this. Oh no, dropped my sweet potatoes. This is a sausage that I like to buy from Trader Joe's. Spicy Italian chicken sausage. I've tried other kinds from there and they literally taste like nothing. So if you want to eat nothing, go ahead and do that. You can cook these like whole and just pop this big old little sausage link in your pan. I like to chop them up for the hash just because everything is like already kind of chopped up. So I'm just gonna do 2 for now. This is gonna be my protein. Just slice and dice, baby, slice and dice. My pan is heating up. I'm gonna add the littlest bit of olive oil, just a little bit. Oh, that was a lot of bit. We're just gonna add them in there. I cut them a little thick. I'm a mess, I'm a mess. Katie's kitchen is not perfect, and that is a-okay. I give up. You know what? Some are chopped, some are not. It is what it is. Here is the other veggies. So I already air fried this sweet potato and cooked this. This is so yummy. It's better when it's heated up, obviously. I cooked this in the air fryer with garlic, onion, oil, and salt. Delicious. And here's the broccoli. I'm obsessed with broccoli. I also air fry this with lemon juice, garlic, onion, and salt. I did a video on TikTok on how to make this. It's so good. I'm eating soggy cold broccoli because it tastes so yummy. I love it. I love it. Eat your greens, baby. They're good for you. So my sausages are pretty cooked all the way. I ended up just chopping them up with this thing, just like this, literally stabbing them. I don't do anything the way it's supposed to be done when I'm cooking. Now I'm just gonna add my veggies so they get re-warmed up and they get the flavors of the chicken sausage. Then you're literally done. Like that's my dinner. I'm just gonna turn the heat down because this pan gets really hot and let that kind of cook over. This beautiful blue pan is actually from our place and they sent it to me. It's like a really fancy pan and they reached out to me because they saw my like cooking TikToks and they're like, we want to send you this pan, and I've been loving it. This thing is epic. Like, again, not sponsored, but I love this pan and it's so cute and aesthetic. Like, I love her. Looking yummy. The thing about this is you can literally add any vegetables you like and make it your own. Any meat, you can add chicken. I think it's called a hash if you use sausage. I think that's what makes it called a hash. I don't know. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all are on my couch right now because this is the only good place for the lighting is, but here's my dinner. It's all ready. I have all these paper products from when my friends were staying with me because I didn't have enough dishes for all my friends. And now I'm just using the rest of like the paper bowls. This is so good. Like, I'm not even lying. So many different flavors and consistencies and it's all yumminess. It might not look good to y'all, but if you try it, let me know. I love it and it literally took me 10 minutes to make. Another weird thing is you can add ketchup. I love ketchup. Sometimes I'll just put a little bit on and eat it with like certain bites because I don't want the whole thing to taste like ketchup, but some of it I do. This is so good. I'm also very hungry, but yeah, that's my dinner. I just want to say thank y'all for watching this vlog. It was just kind of like a random day, but I'm happy we finally got to go to the beach together because I have not shown you guys the Florida beaches since I moved. Why? I posted them all over my Instagram and my TikTok, but clearly my YouTube was slacking a little, so I love you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I definitely am going to get more frequent with videos. I swear, I've been slacking, but I'm going to be doing better. There's always fun stuff going on all over my socials, so go check those out as well, but don't forget to always be kind, love yourself, smile, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Goodbye!